And then we get into the vehicle producer side of this, and now you have labor value content. You have steel and aluminum purchasing requirements as part of this really new NAFTA. And so with USMCA and these changes, there's a lot, especially like I said, on the automotive side. There's a big push here in an area where you as an importer, exporter, if you're in the automotive space, you definitely need to take a step back and make sure your goods are going to qualify. Now there is kind of this 5-year transition period that we're going to go through with some of the changes in where these labor value contents are required, where these net costs are required from where they are to where they're going. But at the end of the day, if you don't have your act together today, it's going to be tough in a couple of years to go backwards and say, hey, maybe we could have claimed this and maybe there's some money we could potentially get back if we have our head wrapped around some of these labor value content, steel and aluminum purchasing requirements. So if you're on the automotive side, definitely take stock in this.